Take a ride in the 2012 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.